pretty rare look at an original untouched 1966 L35 396. This engine has sat since 1972 out of the car. It was replaced with a 454 at that time, and it had approximately 30,000 miles on it when it was removed. It was not stored outdoors, but it was stored in a damp basement. Nothing will move. Technically, if there was no rust that had formed over the time, this engine would turn and all of the parts would be in very good shape. They are still in good shape. They're just locked in time. Haven't moved in a very long time. So I wanted to document the untouched condition of this engine. It's very hard to come by an engine this old that has never been apart. So I will be taking it apart because I have the desire to see this engine live again, and I would like to see it find a worthy candidate from about the same time period that it was produced. The car that it belongs to, since the guy that had this engine knows basically the entire car's history up to when he last saw it, maybe 10, 15 years ago. This car is in Massachusetts as far as he knows. The VIN number that I worked out is this. So if you own this car, I have your original engine. It's in terrible shape, but it's just like it left the car. The only difference is the chrome valve covers, but they're not missing. The original chrome valve covers stayed with it all these years. I'll give you a look at the condition of this engine when it was removed. Pretty low miles. Figure in 1972, this car couldn't have had more than 30,000 miles on it. With a little bit of oil on the carb linkage, things are starting to move. Not well, but they're moving. Here's the original stamp. This car was used on the 325 and the 360 horse. This is the Holly manifold. February 8th, 1966. I'll get a light for the rear. $3,855,961. C14-6. I believe that's March 14th, 1966. This was cast. See, it still has the correct oil pan with the bolt on the bottom. We know it's a Chevelle engine because of the dimples. Look at the casting pad. Terrible angle, I apologize. EDH. So ED is 325 horse, 4-speed, without air conditioning. Car number 129248. Love to find the guy that has the car. So tins are going to come off, intake manifolds are going to come off, water pump, timing cover, and we're going to have a look. This engine will live again. I'm hoping to use the electrolysis process to remove the rust and see if this will turn. Stay tuned.